Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Instagram user, you might have run into the frustrating issue where the recently deleted option just vanishes from your app. This feature is super useful for recovering accidentally deleted posts, stories, or messages, but when it doesn't show up, it can leave you scratching your head. Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through simple, effective steps to fix this problem, tailored for 2025's latest updates. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates. Instagram rolls out fixes regularly, and an outdated app could be the culprit. Once updated, restart the app and see if the recently deleted option appears. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to refresh it. This clears any temporary glitches that might be hiding the feature. Next, restart your phone entirely. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve software bugs. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and then reopen Instagram to check. Another step is to log out of your Instagram account and log back in. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, scroll down to Settings, and select Log Out. After logging back in, navigate to your profile and look for the Recently Deleted section under Settings or in your account options. If you're still not seeing it, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall Instagram from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This can fix deeper issues without losing your data, as your account is linked to your login. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it might be worth checking Instagram's help center or contacting support directly. They can investigate if there's an account-specific problem or a broader issue. There you have it, folks. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to get your recently deleted option back in no time. Instagram is always evolving, so stay tuned for more tips. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.